Hey everyone, so I haven't really been doing anything, working nothing all day, but I figured I would record what I'm cooking, which is chicken empanadas, and yeah, so I figured I would just record this for you guys. So here we go. Say hi.
Hello. So sometimes my room is not clean.
Is your room clean?
No.
I'm gonna go show them your room.
No.
I'm gonna go show them your room. It's supposed to be clean. Well, you better go clean it if you want to show them your room. So she's going to clean that mess. It's not too bad. Just she has to put her stuff up that she was playing with. Whew. All right. I was doing laundry and I still have laundry to do, but it's getting that time to cook for the family and that kind of thing. Also, if you want me to do a house tour, comment below, let me know. We are in Germany, so if you are PCSing here, I don't mind showing. Like I said, I was doing laundry and I still have laundry to do. Mom life. But just let me know if you want me to do a house tour. It is an apartment. It's in a stairwell housing where, you know, we do have neighbors above us, below us, and across from us, but we don't have neighbors below us yet. I don't know if we ever will or not. It's been approximately a year now and we haven't. We just did get new neighbors across from us. So yeah, on my nerves, you guys. All they want to do is play and be weird. Trooper. Chupito. Cocosita. Hi, Coco. Cocosita. You see what they do with their toys, you guys? Like, it's just the hottest. Oh, Cleocita. Cleo. She is so pretty, you guys. Yes, Cleo. But anyways, you guys, I'll show you the view. It's so gloomy out, but I will miss these doors like this. But yeah, my dogs like to run over here and jump next to me because they like breathing outdoors. We don't have a balcony, but other places do, like the building next door does. Like I said, he likes to jump up and look out as well. So I'm gonna show you guys the view. This is our view, you guys, of Germany. That is the city we are at. Oh, the little one wants to look at the window too. That's adorable. Move it, please. But yeah, excuse me. Get down, please. She is a hot mess. No. But that's what I let her do. Just not hit her head up there, but anyways, oh, you guys, it's boiling like I want it. So you have that clean liquid, which I'm gonna use a little liquid in it. What? Did you clean your room?
No, it's super hot.
Then stop jumping. Look who's in my shoes. Who's that?
Mine.
No, it's mommy.
No. Mine.
But, yeah. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, excuse me.
They are a hot mess, you guys. That's all I do all day.
Yeah.
Is play and drive me insane.
Mommy.
Esqueço de tudo na vida, menos que você, amor. Me trocas por uma tua amiga, jamais vestirei a dor. Esqueço de tudo na vida, menos que você, amor. Me trocas por uma tua amiga, jamais vestirei a dor. I got a new dress for you. You say I'm ready, and all I like. Tell me some with you, whatever you want. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, just thinking, yes. I like when you say I'm wabba, wabba, wabba. I like to be a lover, lover, lover. Baby, I don't want another, another, another. You call me wabba, wabba, wabba.
Was the food yummy?
Mm-hmm.
What did you like most, the rice or empanada?
Bananas.
Empanadas.
And bananas. And bananas.
Cool deal.
Cool
So
deal.
I don't think we're gonna do anything else today. I think that's pretty much it. If you guys want the recipe for that, let me know. I make it all the time.
We can dress up and learn how to videos for what's it called?
For more videos, hit subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye.
Bye.